How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, welcome to the Heather Tech, and today is very important topic. And this in today topic, I will show you step by step how you can install the Raspbian OS, okay, and what software you need in order to install the Raspbian OS in Raspberry Pi SD card, okay. So now we will start our lesson. Today topic is agenda of today topic is how to install the Raspbian OS, what software we require, and I will show you the actual demo how you can write or how you can download and install the Raspbian OS in the SD card. Okay, so please you have to watch this video from beginning till end, and you will learn inshallah. And at the end of this video, so you will be able to install the Raspbian OS in Raspberry Pi. Okay. So steps. So what step you need to follow? Please try to understand these steps. If you understand the steps, so you can easily do it. The first thing is, so you should have the SD card. So the SD card should be empty. So there should be no data at all. If there is any data, so that data will be erased automatically once you will start installing the Raspbian OS. So please try to make sure your SD card should be empty. Okay, so no data should be there. Okay, this is the first point. The second point is, if you have the SD card, the second point, you need to download the Raspbian OS operating system. So this is the site, as I told you, this is the site, so you can download Raspberry Pi. This is the official site, raspberrypi.org. Okay, slash download, and you can download the Raspbian operating system for Ubuntu, for Mac, and everything you can do it. Even the disk imager you can also download. Download Win32 disk imager. Okay, so you need to also download the Win32 disk imager. I will show you the which website you can do it, but the official Win32 disk manager official website, it's a better option. You can go there and you can download Win32 disk imager. Okay, so that is the good option. The, after once you have the Raspbian OS and you have the Win32 disk imager, so what you need to do, so you need to insert the SD card in the reader, SD card reader. Then what you need to do, you need to select the Raspbian OS. If you will select the Raspbian OS and start, click on the write. Once you will click on the write, it start writing Raspbian OS on the SD card. So once the SD card is ready, insert into your Raspberry Pi, then connect the Raspberry Pi to the power, and it will show you the output. It means the complete installation. So now we will next step. This is a window disk imager. So you need to download this window disk imager. Okay, I will show you how you can download and how you can use it in today's video. The second thing is, you should have this Raspberry Pi and you should have the SD card, and this is the operating system. Okay, this is a Raspbian operating system. So you need to download this operating system for Raspberry Pi. Okay, now I will show you the actual demo. So before showing the actual demo, so I will just first of all I would like to show you the sites from where you can download the Raspbian OS and from where you can download the window disk imager. Okay, so now let me, so this is the, if you will see, this is the one, this is a Raspberry Pi. You can see this is the official website, so you can download Raspbian operating system from this site. Okay, and window Win32 disk imager, this is the Win32 disk imager, you can download from here. Okay, you can see, so you can download from here, you can download. Okay, so once you finish this one, now we can start our installation. Okay, so how you can start our installation? Let's come to the actual. Yes, now the next step is what we need to do. So this is my SD card. If you will see, this is the SD card, and I need to
put this SD card in my SD card reader. So this is your SD card reader. If you can see in my hand, so this is the SD card reader. So how I need to put it in my SD card reader? So you can see here. So this side you need to put it here. So it depends on the the SD card reader. So this is, you can see. So by this way you can put inside the SD card reader. After that we need to put this USB this reader into the USB port. Okay, let's start with that one. Okay, come.
Method I explain you by using Win32 disk imager. So this is the one. So I have downloaded from the Raspbian raspberrypi.org from download. So what you need to do, how you can write the Raspbian OS. So just choose the Raspbian OS. Suppose this is the Raspbian OS. Select this Raspbian OS. Choose the SD card. So this is your SD card. You can see this is the SD card. Click and just click it on write. Okay, this is the one method. So you can do it. The second method, this is very easiest one. So you can just start writing. So once you will click on write, so it will start writing the Raspbian operating system on the SD card. This is the one way. Okay. So for the time being, I will also show you the other method. So the second method, this is a window disk imager. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to select the Raspbian operating system which we already downloaded. Okay. Once you need to select that one, click it on open and start on write. So it will also start writing the Raspbian operating system on your SD card. So for the time being, I'm going to select this one. Okay. So now I'm going to write the operating system. So this is the one. Okay, the SD card. This is my SD card, and I will click on write. So please, I will just pause the video and start writing, and once the installation will finish, so I will show you the output. Okay, thank you.
So as we have done the installation, we have seen in my this one. So we have finished the installation of Raspbian iOS, and plus we use the Win32 disk manager. Okay. So after that, once you have done that one, so what you need to do? So this is your Raspberry Pi device. If you can see, this is your Raspberry Pi device. I already give the introduction. Okay. So this Raspberry Pi device, there is a jacket. If you will see at the back of this Raspberry Pi, there is a jacket. If you will see here, this is a jacket. So you need to put this Raspberry Pi jacket. If you will see here, I will show you this SD card. You need to put it in this way. Okay, in this direction. So once you will done this one, then what we need to do, we need to add the this is my mouse. If I will show you this mouse, I need to add this mouse here. Okay, I need to plug this mouse here. This is the USB port of the mouse, and this is my keyboard. The keyboard I can connect here. You can see. So this is the keyboard I can connect. So after connecting this one, so let me start with the I will show you the next process. So now if you will see here, so now we plugged our Raspberry Pi here. Raspberry Pi, welcome to Pi desktop. So this is the, and now you can see the desktop, same like Microsoft Windows. So if you want to see here, so I will just show you. So this is the, you can see here, click here and you will find all the program which are pre-installed with this Raspbian iOS. Okay, it's a Linux based operating system. You can see. So Office, education purpose, LibreOffice. This is same like your Excel, and this one for Microsoft Word, and this one same like the PowerPoint. So you have, this is the Open Office. So there are so many things you can get it. It is same like your computer. Okay. So that's all for today. Inshallah, in next video I will show you how you can write a simple program to control the Raspberry Pi. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget, please like our video and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you so much.